Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Wanted to make a quick video regarding fitness, working out, but specific to recovery. I have really gotten into a solid habit of using a foam roller, especially at night in the evening, to just roll out some sore spots, but also just even as part of a routine. And I have found that that seems pretty helpful in winding down and helping my muscles to relax, my body to relax, and slow down my breathing a little bit. But I've also started using the foam roller after a workout or even a walk in the morning before work. It's hard for me to make some time because I'm kind of squeezing in a lot of stuff and cutting it close in the morning. However, I have made just even 2-3 minutes of time in the morning to use the foam roller, and I've noticed that I'm a little bit less sore or stiff throughout the day. I do stretch after I work out, but the foam roller seems to add another layer to that. I do think that in the morning and still doing that at night is a great pairing. I've noticed some different trends during the day. Like I said, less sore, but also heart rate going down a little bit lower and a little bit less sore throughout the day or achy or whatever. So that's been pretty positive. Is that something that you use? Do you use a foam roller? Do you find that it helps? I have found that it's not always the magic cure where it's going to suddenly make you not sore if you're super sore, but as part of a routine, it is definitely something that I make time for, especially at night, because that's when I actually have the most time. But it's a staple now, and I highly recommend it. If it's something that you haven't done, try it out. It helps you kick over into more of that parasympathetic mindset, body mode, and it helps me to wind down for sleep a little bit. So what's your routine? Do you use a foam roller? Do you have questions? Leave those in the comments below. Check out some of my other videos on recovery, sleep cues, fitness, some other life things. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Here's to life and fitness. Peace out.